Are you looking for the best swimming pool cover pumps? Swimming pool cover pumps are essential for protecting pools from debris, preventing water buildup that can strain covers, and reducing risk of damage from winter storms or heavy rain. The category spans compact submersible units designed for above-ground covers to more capable pumps that handle large volumes quickly. For this review, I assessed 5 widely available models across a price spectrum.
Product number 1. AquaAir 1/4 HP Automatic Swimming Pool Cover Pump Overview. The AquaAir 1/4 HP model delivers strong flow, 2250 GPH, with an automatic on-off switch that activates at 2 inches of water and continues for 60 seconds after reaching the low water threshold. It uses a bottom suction design and includes a 1/4 inch NPT discharge plus a 3/4 inch garden hose adapter with a 25-foot power cord, aiming to balance high capacity with practical installation options. The unit includes a debris shedding strainer base and built-in temperature control to mitigate dry running and motor damage, and it carries a 3-year warranty. Notably, the product aligns with standard 115-volt outlets and provides a compact footprint suitable for smaller setups. Performance-wise, 2250 GPH at up to 21.5 feet of lift indicates solid capability for typical pool cover scenarios and even rooftop or hot tub drainage. The bottom suction design enhances water removal efficiency, especially when water pools near the surface. However, the lack of included check valve beyond the 3/4 inch adapter means users should verify backflow protection in their setup. The 12.24-pound weight and dimensions suggest easy placement, but the device's 25-foot cord may still necessitate extension cords on distant installations, and the absence of explicit debris filter maintenance intervals could impact long-term reliability and lead.
Product number 2. Little Giant Select Series LG APCP 1700 1/3 HP. Overview. Little Giant's LG APCP 1700 is a premium automatic submersible pool cover pump with a 1/3 HP motor and 1745 GPH capacity, packaged with a 25-foot cord and a 1-inch FNPT discharge, plus a 3/4 inch garden hose adapter. It emphasizes ease of maintenance with an accessible float and airlock for cleaning and a compact weighted design to promote stability. The unit is designed for automatic removal from pool covers, rooftops, and boat covers, and it ships with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. Its ergonomic handle and compact dimensions make placement straightforward in typical cover environments. Performance-wise, 1745 GPH at 1-foot lift and a 24-foot shutoff height indicate reliable operation for standard residential covers, with a strong emphasis on ease of use and maintenance. The 25-foot cord simplifies reach to power outlets, reducing setup friction. However, as a premium option, it commands a higher price and offers slightly lower maximum flow than some budget rivals. The integrated float and airlock design supports long-term reliability by reducing air.
Product number 3. CC 1/3 HP Pool Cover Pump Automatic On-Off. Overview. CC offers a high-capacity 1/3 HP pump rated at 3035 GPH with a 30-foot lift, built-in debris filter net, and a pre-installed check valve inside the adapter. It features a detachable base to convert between pool cover use and generic submersible draining, 25-foot power cord, and a robust set of adapters. The unit is designed with an automatic on-off function that triggers at around 2.5 inches and shuts off near 0.75 inches, with a claimed 3-year warranty. The integrated debris filter net is a standout feature for minimizing clogs from leaves or needles. In practice, 3035 GPH is compelling for heavy rain events or larger residential setups, and the 30-foot lift helps in challenging drainage scenarios. The debris filter and pre-installed check valve simplify setup and reduce maintenance headaches. The detachable base adds versatility, allowing use as a general submersible pump beyond pool cover duties. Some potential
Product number 4. Pool Cover Pump Above Ground Submersible Water. Overview. The Agiman budget option emphasizes a compact, lightweight design with an ABS housing and IPX8 waterproof rating. It claims a Qmax of 3,000 liters per hour, about 850 gallons per hour, with a 16-foot drainage hose and 25-foot power cord, along with 3 adapters and a 75-watt motor. The unit is positioned as an affordable, basic solution for above-ground pool covers and other drainage tasks, offering quick setup and a straightforward plug-and-pump approach. The inclusion of multiple adapters and a relatively long power cord adds flexibility for varied installation scenarios.
In use, 850 gallons per hour is adequate for smaller covers or lighter rain events, but may feel undersized for larger pools or intense downpours. The 16-foot hose length is helpful for shorter drains, but may require repositioning during larger setups. The IPX8 rating, combined with a simple ABS shell, supports reliability in wet environments, and the 75-watt motor keeps energy usage modest. The trade-off is lower flow capacity and basic feature set compared with mid-range and premium pumps, which could impact performance in heavier drainage. Product number 5. 1 HP Automatic Swimming Pool Cover Pump Overview. The EcoPair 1 HP model is a high-capacity submersible with an impressive 5,000 GPH flow, featuring automatic on-off that activates at about 2.17 inches and runs for 30 seconds, plus a 26-foot power cord and a range of adapters, including 1-inch NPT and 1.5-inch NPT, 3/4-inch NPT, 1/4-inch GHT. It has a 1 HP motor designed for faster drainage across large covers, basins, and basement flooding scenarios. The unit emphasizes safety with smart temperature protection and at 105 degrees Celsius cutoff, and it includes a 1-year warranty with 24/7 support. Performance-wise, 5,000 GPH is among the highest in this category, making it ideal for large pools or heavy rainfall, while the 30-second auto run time helps minimize unnecessary cycling when water recedes. The bottom suction and multiple adapters enhance versatility, enabling connections to various hoses and fittings. The main caveat is noise and heat generation potential in high-demand sessions, plus the higher price relative to mid-range options. The 1 HP rating also implies higher startup currents and potentially more wear on cords and outlets if not used with appropriate protection.